Calming the Waters with Nina London to cope with stress and anxiety. Flower breathing. Every breath in, every breath out, slow and calm. Imagine your favorite scent of a flower you want to breathe in deeply. Put your palm to your abdominal or dantian area. As you breathe in, gently expand your belly outward, as if you're blowing up a balloon. Feel this movement with your palms. Visualize taking this delightful scent of a flower and move it down through your body. On your exhalation, contract your belly and breathe out naturally through your nose. Your breaths are slow, deep, and gentle. Enjoy the rhythm of it all. Calming the waters. The water is still. Feel and breathe. Smile. Close your eyes and imagine your favorite body of water, the sea, a lake, or a river on a calm and tranquil day. Breathe naturally. Open your eyes. Move your palms away from each other and bring them back like you are gently gliding on the surface. Breathe in deeply through your nose and lift your arms, palms up to your heart. Raise your knees gently with the movement of your arms. Bring in calming energy of the water to your body. Face your palms down. Slowly breathe out with a soft downward movement of your arms to touch the water. Breathe out through your nose, or for a purging effect your mouth. Let all your worries go into the water. Repeat 9 times. Light above the lake. Shimmering waters, smiling moon, calm lake. Smile gently. Close your eyes and imagine the bright full moon shining above a calm lake. Silver light shimmers on the water. Open your eyes. You can also do this practice with closed eyes. Breathe in deeply through your nose. Slowly move your arms above your head from right to left. Like you're embracing the moon in the sky. Shift your weight from your right leg to your left. Bring the glowing moonlight into your body. Breathe out all your fears and worries through your mouth. Finish the circle by gliding across the water in the front of you, from left to right, with your arms below you. Repeat 9 times from right to left and 9 times from left to right. Flying bird, lift us up where we belong, up where the white doves fly. Smile gently. Imagine your favorite bird up in the blue sky. What is your bird singing to you? Breathe in deeply through your nose, bird lightness. Lift your arms like a bird opens its wings. Slowly breathe out through your nose stress, tension, and worries. Launch your bird from its nest with your arms flowing down and crossing each other. Lift your arms above your head like a bird raises its wings. Look up high in the sky. Bring your bird back home by moving your arms down. Repeat 9 times half wings movement and 9 times full wings movement. Gliding crane. Let us glide, open our wings, high to the sky. Smile. Imagine that the crane leaps from the tree to the sky. Let your arms flow at chest level. Breathe in deeply through your nose and open your arms wide, palms facing down like the wings of the crane. Feel the joy of flying. Turn the palms up and press the thumb to the index finger. Move your hands together with a long, deep exhalation. You can breathe out through the nose or mouth. Let your sadness go away into the air. Bring your hands together, palms facing up in the front of your chest. Repeat 9 times.
Thank you so much for being with me. I hope you feel better. May the Qi be with you.